Hi, you guys have all been asking me, hey, what tools do you use for your FBA business? Okay, I didn't really realize how many there were until I started pulling everything out for today's video. So I'll start here. The main thing I use as far as tools go is boxes. And as you can see, I buy boxes at Home Depot. A lot of people will say, hey, drive around behind stores, get boxes. You can do that, it'll save you a little money. Personally, to me, time is money. So at $1.50 or so a box, it's a good investment. Home Depot has 3 sizes of normal boxes. They also have thick shipping boxes. I buy the normal size boxes. The thick shipping boxes are double boxes and they weigh a lot to ship. The next thing you're going to use a lot of is tape. You tape everything. Boxes, you name it, you tape it. So labels, everything. So I buy this Scotch moving and storage tape. I like it. It served me well. I buy 8 packs usually, or 6 packs, depending on what's cheaper at the time. Try to buy at least 2 of those at a time. As you can see, it's time to buy more. This will just make your job easier. This is a Duck brand tape dispenser, and for all these items, there's going to be in the description. So this has served me about a year. It's time to buy a new one because it's got a crack on the back. The next thing is this Dimeo thermal printer. This Dimeo thermal printer prints labels. So you put the labels here, it prints them out. These are barcode labels. It'll also print wider labels. I like this for labels simply because I don't use ink cartridges. It uses heat. And you do have to buy the Dimeo labels. You can't just use normal paper. But buying Dimeo labels is cheaper than buying ink cartridges. So this saves you money. The next thing, a barcode scanner. Now, you need this to scan barcodes to put things into your FBA shipments. And it comes with a stand. You put the barcode under it, it scans, and boom, you put it in your FBA shipment, good to go. The next thing, a scale. We all need a scale. Now, I know some people have said, hey, I just weigh it on my normal scale, do the conversion. Great. Personally, for me, I just use a postal scale. It costs about $18 on Amazon. There will be a link. And saves me a lot of time and effort. Also, if I were buying this again, I wouldn't get the one with the readout right here. I would get the one with the readout that has a cord that comes out over here. Simply because if you put this down, put a large box on it, you can't read the readout. So it just makes it easier. Next thing, Scotty Peeler. This is a good little tool to have. I tore up my fingers the first couple of weeks. And this thing, it just gets right under there, pulls those price tags right off. No problem. Next thing you need, you have to have a tape measure. Simply to measure your boxes when you're shipping them out. Just like having a scale. You gotta know. Post office wants to know how big they are, how much they weigh. Next thing you're gonna need is a computer. This is a computer business, basically. You look things up on computers, you list things on your computer. This is my MacBook Pro. It's what I had at the time when I started. You don't need a MacBook Pro. Macs are a little bit more expensive. You can get along with any IBM computer, any Mac computer. As long as you have internet, you can do normal things, it'll work. Also, it doesn't have to be a laptop. It can be a desktop computer. The next thing I would get would be one of these. It's simply a folding hand truck. This is great for when you get to the post office, put all your boxes on it, and you pull them into the post office. It saves you many, many trips into the post office. I like this product. Very cheap on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description. And I think that's about it. That's about all the tools I use. There's a lot, but that'll get us all started, and good luck to you guys with your FBA business. Thanks for watching.